If you are watching this, you are on the frontier of AI automation. A new business model has just been born, and with it, a blue ocean opportunity. But since it is a blue ocean, that means not much has been discovered. There are still so many unknowns. What service is best? How do I find clients? And how do I even price my services? These are all unanswered questions that you can be the first to uncover. And in today's video, I will show you exactly how to do just that. So, being early is a good thing and a bad thing. The pros are that it's a wide open market with no competition. So if you find a system that works in a specific niche, you will make loads of money. And the bad part is there are no courses on any of this yet. So there's no copy-paste blueprint that you can just follow to get started. This may be scary to some, but if you want to make millions in anything, you have to be an innovator. As Naval Ravikant said, if you want to get rich over your life in a deterministically predictable way, stay on the bleeding edge of trends and study technology, design, and art. Become really good at something. You see, if you're watching this video, you probably understand broadly how AI can help businesses and can see how it could be valuable to them, but you are still unsure on exactly what services to offer, how to sell that offer, or even how to fulfill those services. The goal of this video is to demystify AI automation so you fully understand the business model and how you should approach each step. So let's break down an AI automation agency in 4 parts. AI services, the services that you actually sell, getting clients, how you actually find people that want these services, sales, how you sell your services, and of course, fulfillment, how you actually deliver your services. These are the 4 basic components of any agency. And for those of you that might actually have previous experience with something like, I don't know, SMMA, well, understand that this is the exact same thing, except the only thing different is the service that you're selling. Instead of just running ads on Facebook, you're integrating AI into their business. And I want to make one thing clear. Just like making ad creatives, this will take creativity. The way you integrate AI into, say, an e-commerce company will be completely different in how you integrate AI into an accounting company. So to become one of the best AI automation agencies, you have to fully understand the different type of AI services that you can offer. Then you simply handpick the best solution for each unique client. You can offer automations, chatbots, tool stacks, product recommendations, and much more. So let's start with the automations part of an AI automation agency. If you don't know, you can use a tool called Make.com to automate any system or process within a business. Let's use my friend Matt Shield's business as an example for this. He runs Facebook ads for real estate agents, his clients, to help them find people that are looking to sell their homes. And his system to get them clients goes as follows. He runs Facebook ads to homeowners, which then leads to a landing page. The homeowners enter their name and phone number so they can see how much their house is worth, and then the real estate agent calls them to schedule the visit. That is his system. So if a homeowner clicks on Matt's ads and fills out the form, Matt then sends the lead's phone number to his real estate agent client and says, hey, call this lead. They want to know how much their home is worth. Seems simple. They get a lead, then Matt tells the real estate agent to call the lead. But Matt runs ads for over 20 clients, and each of them are getting over 10 leads per day. So is Matt just sitting at his computer and texting each real estate agent every time a new lead comes in? No. He created an automated system in Make.com. He connected his Go High Level landing page form to Twilio, and every time a new homeowner clicks an ad, their information gets sent as a text message directly to the real estate agent's phone. The automated text message says something like this: hey, you have a new lead. Call their name, phone number. And this is what is called an automated system, or automations. And now you can do the exact same thing, but with AI. Hence the term AI automations agency. So Make.com is just a no-code API connector, and they just released their OpenAI GPT API. You can now connect ChatGPT to any software tool and make your own custom automations. This is where creativity is endless, and this is really valuable for businesses because it saves a lot of time and makes things run effortlessly. A few examples of AI automations could be automating email responses, lead gen and follow-up, or even compiling information and outputting content. And just a reminder, guys, we are doing a free training on how to set up AI automations and make chatbots this week, Thursday, July 6th. If you'd like to join, click the first link in the description below. I highly recommend you check out make.com to look at all the different options that you have for automations. That way you can get your creativity flowing. Then you join the training and you'll know exactly what you need to do. Okay, moving on. And the next service you can offer is probably the most obvious, and that is going to be AI conversational chatbots. These can be used in a variety of different ways. One example would be a customer support conversational chatbot trained on all of the website's information. So if customers have questions on inventory, customer stock, or any other FAQ that's listed on the website, they can just ask a conversational chatbot. Another example of a chatbot would be one for internal team documents and training. Most companies have SOPs, internal best practices, and just documents to help people understand how the business works. You can create a chatbot that helps large companies train their new employees and really just help anyone on their team stay on top of their own assignments. Think of this like a custom ChatGPT, but specifically for that one company. Another few examples of chatbots would be one for a car dealership. You could check in on inventory and help people pre-qualify for loans, or apartment complexes who want to foster a better tenant-landlord relationship. There are dozens of different easy-to-use AI tools to create chatbots, but what we prefer to use is BotPress with Stack AI, or another one is Flowwise. And then moving on to another service that you can offer, and that is just going to be an AI tool stack. You will essentially analyze the entire business and then recommend specific AI tools that will make the company more optimized and more efficient. For example, if it's an accounting firm, you could then recommend that they use fireflies.ai to record all of their client meetings, so that way you can easily take notes and talk back to the AI to see what you actually talked about. Then you could use tango.us for step-by-step how-to guides for people's taxes, let's say. Then they can use ChatPDF to actually talk to any of their customers' documents to get specific information. And then lastly, they could use ChatGPT to write all of their emails for their clients. This might sound obvious to us, but that's because we live in the AI world. A lot of these people are too busy and overwhelmed with running their business to look into all the latest and greatest AI tools, even though they will make their business better. So you just letting them know what tools exist and how they should use them will vastly improve their business and will be very valuable to them. Since all of this is so new, there is a huge opportunity to be established as the thought leader in the AI space, and you could very well be viewed as an expert if you just put in a few months to study all these different tools. As you can tell, the type of services that you would provide differ based on the niche that you're servicing. So I want you guys to understand this. When you're running an AI automation agency, I want you to think of yourself as an AI consultant first. You first want to hop on a free consulting call to really understand their business and the pain points that they're experiencing. It's then your job to formulate the perfect combination of AI services to offer them. And then once you have that relationship built, you can make them your offer and sell your services. But before we talk sales and pricing, how do we even find these potential clients? There are dozens of ways to get clients, but I'm going to just focus on my three favorite. The first one that I highly recommend is actually working with other agencies, because other agencies already have relationships with dozens of clients. So whether you want to work with a marketing agency, a design agency, or even another AI automation agency, a symbiotic relationship will be very mutually beneficial. You see, agencies are just in the business of finding people who need a service and then finding someone who can provide that service. They then connect those clients with a capable team, and voila, they make money. They don't care if the team works for them directly or it's just another agency that they can hire out. As long as they can make more money, they're happy. So if you approach, let's say, a marketing agency and tell them about the AI services that you offer, they will then start offering those same services to their existing clients under their brand. Then once those clients say, yes, we would like those AI services, they will just hire your agency to fulfill it on the back end. You get dozens of clients, and then they get a finder's fee for bringing you the deal. It's a win-win. And this is how I scaled my first video agency way back in the day. Marketing agencies would close deals with big companies, and then they would hire me to actually make the video ads for those companies. This is a cheat code and is by far the highest form of leverage when getting agency clients. Why reach out just to one company to get one deal when you can just reach out to one agency and potentially get dozens of deals? Pretty clever, right? Just make sure you have a well-designed professional landing page laying out the results that you get clients and the services that you offer. Moving on, the second best way to get clients is to actually exhibit your expertise on social media, aka make YouTube content on AI automation, chatbots, and tools. Then people who are looking for ways to add AI into their business will stumble across your video and hire you. You see, business owners that want to implement AI into their business will search on YouTube how to make an AI chatbot for my website. Then they will stumble across your tutorial video. After about 20 minutes of them trying to do it themselves, they'll probably get frustrated and then say, hey, this Brett guy on YouTube, he seems to know what he's talking about since he made this tutorial video. Let me just reach out to him and see if he can do it for me. Many people think that if they make a video showing their process that no one will hire them because why don't they just do it themselves? But that is false. Most business owners are extremely busy and overwhelmed running their business that they'd much rather just pay somebody to avoid the time and avoid the headache of learning. And since they stumbled across your video, they will assume you're the expert and reach out to you in the email that you leave in the description of your video. And funny enough, this very video will probably get my agency a few clients. So if you want to add AI to your business, reach out to our agency. And guys, you don't need tens of thousands of subscribers for this to work. I know multiple people that have made just a few tutorials on YouTube with just a few hundred views, and they've closed $10,000 plus in clients from those videos. Yes, you heard that right. 200 views got them 3 deals. It's not about the number of views, but it's about the quality of the people watching the videos. And odds are, if people find your content actually searching for it, they are much more likely to be buyers. I cannot stress enough how powerful YouTube is for getting clients. Go to veed.io and start making videos if you're serious about making money with AAA. The third and final way to get clients is going to be what I call cold commenting. Choose any social media platform that your potential clients frequent, and then just change your name to something like the AI guy or AI automations king. Next, write a concise bio with a clear value proposition. For example, save money, time, and energy with AI automations in your business. Then just put the link to your landing page of your agency where people can book a call in the bio of your profile. Next, simply go onto potential clients' accounts and start commenting genuine feedback on their posts. Do not, I repeat, do not try to sell your services on the comment section of people's Instagram accounts. They're just going to think it's spam and they're never going to read it in the first place. Instead, just reply something relevant to their post, whether it's a piece of advice, a compliment, or a funny joke. It doesn't matter, but if you say something that they like, they will naturally then go look at your profile. They will then see that you're all about AI, and if they're interested, they will reach out. Again, guys, it really is that simple. People who want AI in their business just don't know who to go to. And if you catch someone in the right moment, someone who's been thinking about it, then you're going to be the person that they default into. So those are my 3 favorite ways to get clients. There are plenty more, but those will be the ones that I found to be the most successful. Okay, so let's say someone reaches out to you. How do you move forward, and how do you price your services? It's not that simple. Price varies widely based on the complexity of the services that you offer and the nature of the business that you're servicing. If you are working with real estate agents, you can likely charge more since their deals are so large. If you are working with a local bakery, you're probably going to charge much less. So understand this. You are charging based on the value that you provide that specific business, not how much time it takes you to fulfill the service. Let's say a company has 5 customer support people that they pay $2,000 a month each. If you create an AI chatbot that eliminates all of the basic customer support tickets, this company now only needs 3 people. Now they only have to pay $6,000 a month. You just save them $4,000 a month. Multiply that by 12 months. You just save them $48,000 a year. So if you save them that much money, you could then easily charge $3,000 for a setup fee, and then $500 a month for maintenance and continued training of the bot. I like to use the rule of 10. If I make or save a company $10,000, then I'm going to charge them $1,000. Again, this is all experimental and you make it up on the fly so you can test different prices with different clients. I always recommend starting low and then increasing the price with each new client. This way, you can get some work and experience under your belt, and anytime you have future clients, you can then show them your previous work so they can trust you more. And if you do good work, those early clients will then start referring you their friends, which is how most agencies grow. Now, I know a lot of you don't have any idea how to actually start with pricing, so here are some broad ranges. For AI consulting, I would charge anywhere from $100 to $300 per hour based on your experience level. For AI chatbots, anywhere from $1K to $3K to just set up the chat. chatbot. And then for actual advanced AI automations, anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000, depending on the nature of the business. Another thing that you can do is just charge a monthly retainer for all of these different AI services, say something like $3,000 a month for 6 months. And then in that time frame, you are constantly building out chatbots, private models, different AI tools, and giving them the full package. There you have it, my friends. Everything you need to succeed with your AI automation agency, from the services you offer, how much to charge, what tools to use to fulfill, and even how to get your very first client. In my next video, I'm going to show you guys how my agency thinks bigger and how we go above and beyond for our clients. We build them what is essentially their own AI software tool, and we do all of this with no code thanks to bubble.io and make.com. This allows us to charge up to $50,000 for a single AI automation client. I will break this down in more detail in my next video, so subscribe to the channel if you're excited about AI automation. I hope you learned something today. Other than that, have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.